everyone! Welcome to Let's Start Now English. I'm so excited to help you learn English today.
Lily, are you ready for another journey?
Where are we going this time?
We are going to visit Paris in France.
Paris! I have always wanted to see it.
Paris is a wonderful city.
I will bring my beret so I look like a real Paris traveler.
This city looks magical!
Paris is known as the City of Light.
The view is incredible.
From here you can see the whole city.
The city looks beautiful from here.
It certainly does, my dear.
This building looks like a castle.
It does, doesn't it? Just like a fairy tale.
Wow, Grandpa, look at all the artists.
Yes, Lily, it's wonderful, isn't it? Would you like to see my drawing?
The Eiffel Tower.
It certainly is.
This museum looks amazing.
It is, my dear, and it's full of magic.
Can we go in now?
Of course. Let's begin our adventure.
Her smile is mysterious.
Yes, it holds a secret. Maybe one day we'll find out.
This is delicious.
I'm glad you like it, my dear.
Can I have another one?
There it is, Lily, the Arc de Triomphe.
Wow, it's so big.
It certainly is.
Grandpa, look at the lights.
Beautiful, aren't they? Just like you.
And the shops are so pretty. Grandpa, look, the boats are racing.
They are, Lily. It's a fine day for sailing.
I want one. Grandpa, look at these pretty books.
They are lovely, my dear. Find one you like.
Whee, this is so much fun, Grandpa.
I'm so proud of you, Lily.
Enjoy the ride.
They're magical, just like you.
Now I understand why it is called the City of Light.
Grandpa, where will we travel next?
We are going to visit London.
London, I want to see Big Ben. Today was the most beautiful day.